Hi, everyone. Welcome back into My Chamber TV, the heartbeat of our community. I'm Barbara Marville Kelly, and with me is Paul Freelander. And I've been waiting for this segment because we have had this apparatus sitting in the middle of the floor since the beginning of the show, and I know you're wondering, as well as I am, exactly what it... Wait a minute, it's moving here. Oh, we did say that it was going to come alive. Check this out.
Wow.
Are you kidding me? This is wild. I want to introduce our guests. We have Jesse Linares and Kevin Hudak. You guys are the students at River Ridge, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
And you actually created this?
Yes.
Yes, us and our
Tell
team
us about it.
Well, it's for a competition called FIRST, which stands for
Inspiration and Recognition of Science and Technology.
And what we do is we have a 6-week period where we can design and build a robot to complete a specific task, and then we bag it up and we bring it to competitions.
And so, tell me about the competitions.
The competition this year is it's called Stronghold, and what it is you have to design a robot that can pick up boulders, which is the gray ball that's in there now, and you have to be able to drive over different sorts of obstacles to reach the other side and shoot the boulders into a castle to try and weaken it.
I'm really having a hard time processing where you would even start with something like this. Seriously. This is like an invention.
Well, and they have a slight disadvantage because we weren't able to pull up, and we had quite a story quickly because we want to get into you guys and talk a little bit more. But tell us about where you're at competition-wise, because you guys are really at the cutting edge with this class. So tell us about where it started and where you are in the competition right now.
Well, this is the first year we've done this competition, and so we've had 2 regional competitions that are in Florida, and next week we're going to the World Championships, which is in Missouri, so that's exciting.
Oh my goodness,
How cool is that?
Congratulations!
And this is against people from all over the world, or?
22 different countries.
I'm speechless. It takes a lot to get me speechless, but I'm really blown away. Congratulations, you guys. How did you have like a passion for creating something like this, or you just felt the class is what it was?
Well, all of us came from different backgrounds. Almost all of the kids at the academy school choiced in. They weren't zoned for River Ridge because they wanted to do this program. They wanted to do the academy, and we wanted to work after and work on this competition. It's our rookie year. It's our first time ever doing this, and there's about 15 of us total at the school, and we all just kind of sat down and said we want to do it, and we just kind of took off from there.
How cool is that?
How do you just sit down and decide to... that just blows me away. So you must have had different tasks as you were all the brainchild of this whole thing. Each and every one of you had your own individual part.
Oh, yeah.
On the first day of the competition, we all sat down around this big table, and once we got the task and we had to sit down and figure out what we wanted to do, what obstacles we wanted to be able to overcome, what we wanted our robot to be capable of, and then we just started coming up with designs there.
So was there a list of different types of robots that you picked from, or did you come up with your own?
There is no like defined type of robot you have to do. You just have to do it, and it has to meet regulations. They have a bunch of regulations you have to meet, but as long as you're meeting the safety qualifications, you can build pretty much whatever you want. You have to start from scratch.
And these pieces and parts came from where?
We designed them, well, most of them. The base was from a kit, but like all these side plates here, we designed those in a 3D modeling software called Autodesk Inventor. And then we have a machine shop, Universal Labeling Systems, as our sponsor. And we sent over the part files to them, and they produced it for us, and then they just sent it back to the school, and that's how we got them all.
Cool. Is that a local company?
Yeah.
Local company.
We went to visit them once to see the shop where they made a bunch of parts for our robot, and it was really awesome to see how they got it all done for us. It was really cool, and we're really grateful for all their help.
And I think we'd be remiss if we didn't mention that behind the scenes, so you don't think that it's voodoo controlling the machine. We got a young man standing over there by the name of Dwight Howard, and then, of course, their teacher, who I believe is first year with Sam. Are you first year? Yes. Their teacher, Sam McAmis, are behind the scenes today doing all this. Sam wanted to make sure, and we appreciate it, Sam wanted to make sure the kids had time
That's
And
special.
although Sam looks like he could be a high school student
I
also,
know, I couldn't figure
I
out
guess
who
I'm just
kids
getting
were.
that old.
Well, I tell you, so Sam. Oh,
There they
wave,
are.
wave into the camera. They've got you on online there. But that is so awesome. So, how long did it take from start to finish on this robot thingy?
Well, this is actually a twin robot, so we have another robot that looks just like it that we have bagged, and it's actually shipping on its way to Missouri right now because we don't bring it. It gets shipped by FedEx. And this is our twin robot, so it looks almost exactly the same as our other robot. This is where we test our new designs in between competitions. And we only had the 6 weeks to build it, and then we had to bag our competition robot. But this one we could keep out and keep working.
Wow.
6 weeks.
6 weeks.
Do you know challenges for you, Barb, with the technical knowledge and skills you have?
Yeah, exactly. This is just so amazing. I really just don't know what to say other than you need to be really proud of yourselves for doing this. And Sam, congratulations. What a great job. What do your parents say? Are they like out of their mind?
A lot of them, I think, are really just like taken aback because this is so crazy compared to what they did in high school and what
Yeah,
was available
exactly.
to them.
Oh
Yeah, my parents are kind of the same way. They're
Yeah.
just kind of, they really want to come down to all the competitions, and they're trying to make it to see everything that we've done. And they're pretty
And
happy
then
with it.
you said the class, what size? You said 15?
Our club has 15 people in it.
Club has 15 people.
15 that worked all on this.
Yeah.
Isn't that so? What's next? Do we know?
Well-
Do we have are we going to do something on the same order? Are you going to do something different? Next project? Is there a next project?
Well, we have, of course, World Championships coming up at the end of this month, April 27th, in St. Louis, Missouri. We're still trying to get the travel arrangements down. It's been interesting. And then after that, usually over the summer or towards the end of the school year, we do a lot of community outreach. We visit a lot of elementary and middle schools and just talk about what we do and
Good
our
for you.
academy
Awesome.
program. And
Give me a fist bump. Hey,
That's
give
awesome,
me
guys.
a fist bump. Congratulations. This is what I'm talking about. The heartbeat of the community. We've got the kids out there doing outreach programs, and this is a perfect mentor for you to be for the younger ones coming
Yes.
up. They're going to want to do this. Oh, that's
Yeah.
exciting. Hey, you know what? We have another break coming up, and then Chip Wick-Manowski is going to be joining us. But before that, could we see this operating here for just a split second? Look at how cool. Watch
Put your
this.
feet
This
up.
is so cool.
you have a little bit of a...
That's all remote. I can't. This
And
is
does it go high? Will it throw the ball or just run it out?
you
It runs
can-
it out.
Yeah,
Runs it out.
Kevin programmed the robot.
Hi, yeah. We also have our autonomous challenges where it has to run without any user control. It runs just off sensors and by itself, which was a doozy. We don't want to start it now because we don't know exactly what it'll do. But
now. I have to ask you this. Have you always been into this electronic interest and everything?
Yeah.
Since you were just a little
You're
wee
one
guy.
of those kids that broke the radio down and tried to put it back together again and stuff.
We
phone.
definitely have
The
a
first
few of
thing I did
those
was
in
a
the
phone.
club.
Oh, first thing you did was a phone.
Yeah.
Took a phone apart.
Took the phone. How old were you?
6-ish, I think.
See, it starts somewhere, doesn't it? And
Yeah.
look where you must be so proud of yourself.
And
I
I know we're getting close, Barb, but before
Yeah.
we go, Sam, I know you're standing over there, but thank you for what you've done for these
Yes.
kids, man.
Yes.
There's a lot more teachers like you, and we really appreciate that.
our producer's asking for you to come on up on the back of the set here and at least let us see you guys. Just come on over. I know you didn't
Come on,
want to
Dwight.
say much. You wanted to give the accolades to the kids. You don't have to say anything, but this is the teacher extraordinaire.
Yes.
And this is Dwight.
Yeah.
And you
Dwight.
were involved in this as well. You guys did a fantastic job. It's amazing. Well, it looks like it's time for us to not close our show. Stay with us. We have one more segment, and we're going to be talking about some of the different affairs that have been going on in the community. And who would have ever thought in downtown Portland?
And I know we're pushing time, and I know this is not what it was meant for, but guys, I just want to take a second to you mentioned Missouri. Do you have corporate sponsors? What are you doing to get yourselves out there?
We're looking for more sponsors.
And that's why I wanted to bring that up
Thank
before they
you.
left.
Thank you.
Thank you. And how can we get a hold of you? We have that up on our...
You can call the school and they can connect you to Mr. McCamus, or I think they just mentioned when we were in the other room there that they can call the chamber and they can put you
Yes.
through and connect
Perfect.
us.
And it is River Ridge High School.
River Ridge
Yes.
High School.
Congratulations to all you guys. I'm so proud to even do this segment with you. This is awesome. I can't wait to hear the results in Missouri. You'll definitely have to come back,
Bring it
okay?
back on, yes.
All
Okay.
right.
Sure.
Well, good luck. Good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And we're going to be right back with more right here on My Chamber TV. So stay with us.